Are you here for the best cold air intake for 6.7 Cummins? Looking for a model that will be an ideal replacement for your stock intake? Hoping to see an increase in gas mileage and engine horsepower after installing it? Then I have some good news to share with you. In this video, you will get the top 5 best cold air intakes for 6.7 Cummins. These are models that are trusted by thousands of drivers like you. These cold air intakes reduce engine noise, improve engine sound and enhance throttle response. Don't waste time, let's get started. Number 1. S&B Filters 75 to 5092 Cold Air Intake Filter. It is made of premium silicone and has just the right amount of oil that helps the built-in air filter trap incoming dirt and dust particles. The 90 grams of oil that are visible on the filter element won't need any replacement for up to 100,000 miles. That's at least a year worth of hassle-free filtration. Highlighted features. Has a mass airflow sensor. Equipped with a secondary air outlet. Can withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Better Cloud Cold Air Intake Kit. Everything about this cold air intake kit oozes durability. You only have to look at its construction to believe in this claim. Its manufacturer has used CNC mandrel bent aluminum tube for the intake, thereby ensuring smooth and restriction-free flow of air and years of usage. Highlighted features. 4 inches aluminum construction. Gloss black finish. Reusable washable filter. Number 3, Volant 151,536 Power Core Cool Air Intake. It is easy to install and heavy-duty intake kit. Its polyethylene construction helps this model withstand external elements. What it also does is prevent the vibrations emanating from the engine disturb the intake kit. That's precisely the reason why it lasts as long as it does. One of the defining features of this model has to be its filter's ability to meet OEM standards. Highlighted features. Filter meets OEM standard. Ensures outstanding direct airflow. Improves the efficiency of the engine. Number 4, Sinister Diesel Cold Air Intake. All Sinister Diesel cold air intakes serve a dual purpose. On the one end, they help your engine deliver more horsepower and torque. On the other end, they have a built-in dry filter that keeps the incoming debris from harming your engine. An example of the first can be found in this model's material of construction. It is made of CNC machined aluminum tubing that ensure a perfect fitment underneath your hood. Highlighted features. Oiled filter media. Improves throttle response. Easy to install. Number 5, AFE Stage 2 Type CX Cold Air Intake. Multiple features of this model necessitate its installation underneath your hood. Foremost among those is its 5-layer cotton filter. It uses a combination of 5-stage filtration process and oil filter media to trap the incoming dirt particles while allowing maximum airflow. Highlighted features. 5-stage filtration. 1-piece heat shield. Heat insulating molded plastic tube. Finally, increased horsepower, enhanced uphill performance and better mileage are some of the benefits you could expect from the best cold air intakes for 6.7L Cummins mentioned above. That is not where the good news ends. These models might be expensive, but justify their lofty asking prices by increasing your engine's combustion efficiency and improving its noise. Almost all support bolt-on installation and are therefore a cinch to assemble. What more can you ask for? Thanks for